Welcome back to the Lego table. It's been a while, and I have a lot to show you. But we've got some Lego reviews coming. One is that over there. We put that together. All this other stuff is already on the channel. I guess we'll do an update of the whole Lego setup, but what this video is about is that right there. It's I just got off work. We're just got home, and this was waiting for me at the door. It is my utility knives from Jerryrigeverything. Bought a bunch of them. I'm gonna give them out as gifts. If you get one as a gift, well, thanks for watching my video. But chances are, if you get one as a gift, you haven't watched this video. I bought 5 of them, and the story behind the reason why I got 5 of them is because I was watching his video about introducing the clear knife that he has, and he was putting $20 bills in them, and I figured, hey, what the heck, we'll give it a go, see if we get one that he put a $20 bill in. And I got one for myself, and then 4 for 4 other people for Christmas. So they might see this at Christmas, they might not. So here's the 5 knives, and they sent in a note. You can't see that side of it, and he was nice enough to personalize it. That's a nice little added touch. I was super impressed that he did that, and I thought maybe that they printed them, but I'm pretty sure that they he filled this out themselves. I mean, they're cut, for Pete's sake, but they shipped them out super quick. And I have the red one somewhere, but it's missing. So this one is kind of open. So let's set these aside, which I kind of already checked already to see if they had been opened. You know what? We'll go ahead and open them all. We'll do it one-handed. Because, you know, you just never know. Because it looks like he taped them himself. Possibly. So let's go ahead and open them all. It's hard to do. I'm doing this one-handed. And you can hear Annabelle, this thing needs sharpened, playing in the background. So we'll get that one open, and I'll use that one to open up the rest. Let's see, maybe we'll be shocked and there'll be a $20 bill inside. Who knows? Nope. They give you spare blades with all of them. And here it is. How cool is that? Hold on, and there it is. You can open up one-handed. These things are awesome. Like I said, I have the red one, and I brought my brother the gunmetal one looking one. But seriously, these are the best utility knives I've ever had. They're amazing. I might order more so I have one of every color. This clip here, it does not come loose. It's super easy to change out the blades. They look good. They hold good. And Annabelle's losing her mind behind me because we just got home. The safe thing that to retract and to take the change blades works real good. And it's just a collapsible one. Hard to do with one hand. So cool. Well, we're going to attempt to do this with one hand, with no hands. It's leaning up against something else that I'm going to unbox later. But what we're doing is looking to see if they put $20 bills inside, and they did not. Check them all. Check them all, huh? There, we're back. No luck so far. Kind of shady. I'm opening people's Christmas gifts. They'll never know. Because, trust me, I'm shocked if anybody watches my videos. No luck. One more. No luck. So that's all of them. No free money. There they are. There's all 5. We didn't get any money inside, but I'm telling you, if you even work in a warehouse or something, or get these, or the construction, whatever, just to have in your pocket. These are amazing box cutters that he has. They're fantastic. You don't have to get the clear ones, but I mean, the clear one is real plasticky. Obviously, it's plastic, but I actually like the red better. But this is super awesome, and you'll have it a long time. So if you're looking for a good utility knife, this is it. This is got to be the #1 utility knife on the market. So go get you one. And thanks to jerryrigeverything for the little personal note. Well, it's not really personal, but you know. It's added touches that make you feel better about buying something. So y'all take it easy.